Welcome to a video by Abron expert. This is inclined plane physics experiment where when we get it, it comes you with the packing like this, and this pan and ruler is also there. I have just put this ruler with both the threads here, but you can put one also. There is one pulley and this one is a glass top for less friction. First of all, you have to lift it and then put the here and tight these screws. I am not tightening it, just that is because just for demonstration. And then you have to, for any angle, say I want to put it on 20, it can be on 20 degree. This is on 20, you tight it and then put the roller here and then weight. This roller is now balanced with the weights on this. You have to put the weight here and see that the roller is just not moving here, and you can put the oil here in this so that the friction is reduced. Oil also in this so that the friction is reduced. That is for working, and this is to be seen at what particular angle. You know, this see this, if I put this angle higher, this will go down easily, it will go. So now I need to put the weights here. See this, I have to put the weights in this, so that when I put the weight, say I can put one and sample, so then this can be equilibrium. So the weights, you have to keep on putting the weights and see at what angle it starts moving. So this should be frictionless, means oil. This should be oil frictionless, and this glass top is there. We have got another one with if you remove the glass, it can still work because of the Sunmica is there. It is only for some practical utility, and then Sunmica is there. Very good, and please visit the website. These are by Abron Exports. These are WhatsApp number 9416020018 99922222049 Abron Exports, and then email is abron01@gmail.com, info@abronexports.com, website is abronexports.com. Please visit the website, like the video, share the videos. Thank you very much.